Huh. Oh, wow. My blood pressure went down. I went. I forgot. I forgot what it was. Um, I know it was like in the 90s. I think it was 95. Now it's down to 84. And I haven't taken any lisinopril. And it hasn't affected my mind because I was able to beat that computer 3 games in a row. So, AOL chess on the mid level. I just don't have patience for the high level. I usually beat it on the mid level anyway, but apparently having that weird stuff doesn't affect my anyway. I wish I wrote it down what I had. 145 over 84. That's high, but it's not as high as it was when I started this thing about half an hour ago. I'm gonna play that thing back, okay, and then I'll take it again. Bye.